What's up, good people? So the question of the day comes from Kiragu Tea Mugo in the motherland. He's an educator who asked me to talk on this topic: how to be the best teacher to the current student in this dynamic world, in this rapidly changing world. So first, I think you need to love kids, and you need to have a sense of calling or a burden to help young people. That's number one. Number two, I think you need to understand those students. You need to understand their context, understand their motivations, their influences, their family structures, understand their thought processes, understand who they are. And in the process of understanding who they are, you'll get clarity about who you are and how you're shaped and how similar to and different from you are from them. But you want to understand who they are, number two. And based on who they are and where they are and what they know, you need to get clear about their outcomes. Who do you hope they become as a result of being in your class? In terms of spelling, grammar, reading, writing, history, geography, fine arts, in terms of physical education, in terms of their character, in terms of their abilities, the outcomes. Number four, you need to develop curriculum that gets them from where they are to where you want them to be. Now that requires wisdom, that requires expertise, that requires a whole lot of work. But I think it starts right there. And when you understand who they are and you understand where you want them to end up, then your job is to create curriculum that builds a bridge between their context and your content that leads them to your outcomes. Okay? That's the short answer. I hope that helps you. If you want help to go deeper, get some of my books. Even on your worst day, you can be a student's best hope. Thank you for asking that question, my friend. If you guys have any other questions, put them in the comment section and I will get to them as soon as possible. I'm your friend, Dr. Manny Scott. Even on your worst day, you can be a student's very best hope. I'm out.